Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have Christmas light stakes C7, C9. This is Merry Christmas. Here's the steps. And here's the stakes. Yeah, so you just put one wire through here, put the light here, and then put the wire down here. And that's it. There's 50 of them, they all look the same, so that's it. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're interested in the item, the link will be in the description below. And using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.